TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. We have made it through another week, but this is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. I know everyone is mainly looking for those non-phone data entry jobs. That is the most popular, so that is what I have for you today. So we will not waste any time. We will dive on in. Just note the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. I've talked on this channel before. Staffing agencies and temporary agencies are some of the best places to find data entry jobs because what is a temporary position can quickly turn into a permanent placement with a company. It's like a try before you buy kind of scenario. Companies like to make sure that it's going to work and you're a great fit, but once they find someone who is working out great, they don't want to let them go. So never fear staffing agencies. But with that being said, Premier Talent Partners is looking for a data entry specialist. Now, they are based out of San Francisco, California. However, this is a 100% remote opportunity. And it does say down here, to be considered for their positions, you have to be eligible to work in the United States. They do not offer sponsorship at this time, but it does look like they hire within the entire United States. But they are looking for a data entry specialist to perform data entry, editing, and auditing in their HRIS system. You'll work with business partners and customers to resolve any employee data issues. You'll assist with employee onboarding. You'll respond to employee queries involving operations or programs, and you'll recommend any process improvements or optimizations that you see to your manager. Now, they do not require any kind of a college degree. They are looking for someone who can perform data entry, editing, and auditing in the HRIS system, someone who can work with the business partners, and someone who can help with problem solving. Now, they do pay well for this position, anywhere from $24 to $25 an hour. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please like and share these videos if you find them helpful, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.